Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, IT for You. Do you get a lot of background noise on your headset during meetings, calls, or recordings? Does your headset lack active noise cancellation? Or maybe, even with noise cancellation, unwanted background sounds still leak through, making your voice unclear? Don't worry, in today's video, we're going to cover a very simple and 100% effective fix for this problem. First, let's make sure your headset is properly connected to your laptop or PC. To do this, go to your taskbar and click on the volume icon. Then, click the arrow next to it to check if your headset is listed and active. If it's not connected, plug in your headset first. Once connected, click the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. When the control panel opens, if your layout looks different, go to the View by option in the top right corner and switch to small icons or large icons. Now, look for the sound option and click on it. In the Playback tab, you'll see a green check mark next to your headphones. This indicates that it's currently set as your active playback device. Next, click on the Recording tab at the top. Here, you should see your main microphone with a green check mark. This is your headset's mic. Right-click on your microphone and select Properties. Navigate to the Levels tab at the top. You will see two sliders, Microphone and Microphone Boost. Check what your microphone boost level is currently set to. If it's turned up, drag the slider all the way down to 0 dB. By setting the boost to 0 dB, it will immediately cut out 80 to 90% of background noise, making your voice sound crisp and clean. Give this setting a try and let us know in the comments if it worked for you. If you're still facing issues, drop a comment below and we can create a detailed follow-up video covering advanced software solutions.